Welcome to ASEAN MedTech Insights, a significant development just unfolded for medical device manufacturers in Southeast Asia. Last week, Hong Kong's medical device division implemented a new policy that creates a strategic fast track for companies with a foothold in Singapore. Specifically, Hong Kong will now formally recognize marketing approvals from Singapore's Health Sciences Authority, or HSA. This move is a game changer for market access strategy in the region. For years, companies have viewed Singapore as a key hub due to its robust regulatory framework. Now, that status is supercharged. An HSA approval is not just a ticket to the Singaporean market anymore. It has become a golden key to unlocking the lucrative Hong Kong market much faster. Let's break down the real-world impact. Previously, entering the Hong Kong market required a full independent review process, which could be lengthy and resource-intensive. Under this new reliance pathway, if your Class 2, 3, or 4 medical device is already approved by the HSA, your submission process in Hong Kong is significantly streamlined. This is not a simple rubber stamp, but it drastically reduces duplication of efforts and shortens the timeline from application to approval. Consider a Singapore-based startup with an innovative diagnostic device. Instead of allocating a separate, large budget and a 9 to 12-month timeline for Hong Kong, they can now leverage their existing HSA dossier to get listed in a fraction of the time. This frees up capital and allows for a much more aggressive and efficient regional expansion strategy. This policy signals a larger trend of regulatory harmonization and reliance across Asia. Authorities are getting smarter, realizing they don't need to reinvent the wheel for devices already vetted by a trusted peer agency. However, manufacturers must not oversimplify the process. There are critical details to manage. For instance, labeling, instructions for use, and promotional materials must still be adapted to meet Hong Kong's specific local requirements, including language. Furthermore, post-market surveillance and vigilance reporting systems are distinct. A recall process in Singapore doesn't automatically translate to Hong Kong's requirements. You must have a local representative and a clear plan for Hong Kong-specific compliance. This is a streamlined pathway, not a deregulated one. The core message is that while the door to Hong Kong is now wider for Singapore-approved products, navigating the final steps still requires local expertise. This development solidifies Singapore's position as the premier regulatory launchpad in ASEAN. For MedTech companies planning their Asia-Pacific strategy, the question is no longer just which market to enter first, but which initial approval will provide the most leverage for future expansion. The Singapore to Hong Kong route has just become one of the most powerful combinations. Understanding and navigating these evolving regulatory dynamics is essential for success. For companies looking to leverage these new pathways and ensure full compliance, Pure Global offers expert guidance on global market access. You can email us at info@pureglobal.com or visit our website at https://pureglobal.com.